everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you want to earn bonuses or commissions by inviting friends to Octa, in this video I will show you exactly how to share your referral link using the OctaFx app step by step. So let's get started. Open your Octa mobile trading app and log in with your email and password. Now tap on the menu icon at the top left corner of your screen. Scroll down and navigate to this option called Your Referral Links. In this section, you will see your unique referral link and code. Tap Copy next to the link to save it to your clipboard. Tap Share Link to open your phone's share menu. And you can share it to WhatsApp, Telegram, Messenger, email or SMS, or even post it on your social media, blog or forums. When you share, mention that your friend will receive a deposit bonus or other perks, and you will earn commissions for every trade they make. Back in this section, you can actually see how many friends have signed up, joined, or traded using your link and view your earned bonuses. And that's it. That's how you successfully share your Octa referral link and can start earning. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.